glad you're here. We have a super awesome Pacman cake today. How super cool is this? Just like the video game. Let's start right up with our modeling process. We're gonna get a yellow circle. You know what this is for? To make Pac-Man, of course. Wow. And remember, while you're watching, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. And leave us a comment. Tell us if you've ever played Pac-Man before. Such a fun game. If you've never played Pac-Man before, he goes through a maze, eating little bubble dots and getting chased by ghosts. We're making a ghost right now, and it's hot pink. Such a fun hot pink color. It's like hot pink bubblegum. Speaking of bubblegum, are you ready for a trivia question? What kind of bubblegum has fruit stripes on it? Stay to the end to find out. Wow, that looks so cool. Now we're gonna do a teal ghosty. The ghosts have to have buddies. This is gonna be such a super awesome fun cake. Whether you've played Pac-Man the video game or not, it's gonna be awesome. Do you like playing video games? What is your favorite video game that you've played so far? Remember, we add our little sticks in there. That helps. Stick them in the cake so they don't fall off. Now we're gonna cut out the words that spell Pac-Man. P-A-C-M-A-N. Pac-Man. How fun! Now we're gonna cut out a lot of squiggle lines. This is to make the maze. The maze that Pac-Man goes through. He has to eat all the little bubble dots before the ghosts get him. Now we're gonna put together the cake. Our cake and creamy frosting. Num 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 num. I'm getting hungry for cake. And frosting. Smooth in all that frosting. Get it nice and smooth. And nummy. So excited. All right, time to roll out our cake blanket. It's gonna look so cool! All right, let's put on the cake blanket on top of our huge cake tower! And smooth it in. You know how to do it. Smooth it careful. And remember, while you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Smooth it in. And pizza cutter time. Looks so good. P-A. See? The C looks like a little Pac-Man. How cute is that? And then M-A. You ready for the answer to our question? What bubblegum has fruit stripes on it? This is actually an easy one, because the name is Fruit Stripes Bubblegum! That's kind of silly, huh? But it's super fun and tastes fruity and delicious. Alright, we're gonna do all of our squiggle lines that make up the maze. It's gonna look so cool when it's all done! I can't wait! Just like putting together a big puzzle. Lots of little lines. Don't worry, you'll see it when it all comes together. It's gonna look so cool. Kinda looks like blue spaghetti noodles, huh? Wouldn't that be funny, blue spaghetti? I wonder what blue spaghetti would taste like. Now we're gonna add our little bubble dots. Lots of little bubble dots. How fun! Remember to hit that subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, and leave us a comment. Now we're gonna stick Pac-Man on top with his two little ghost buddies. How fun! Aww! So fun! And finish it off with confetti. So cool! Aww, so fun! All finished!